In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Amazon account along with your personal information. Before we start, it's important to note that this action is irreversible. Once your account is closed, you will lose access to all associated products and services. So ensure you're ready to proceed. To start, you'll need to navigate to the Amazon account closure page. You can find this by searching on Amazon or clicking a direct link if you have one available. Once you're there, it's time to sign in. Make sure to log in to the exact Amazon account that you wish to delete. After signing in, you'll be presented with crucial information about what happens when you close your account. It's vital to carefully read and understand these details because they will outline the consequences. Remember, closing your account means you won't be able to access any of your Amazon products, digital content, or services linked to this account. Take a moment to consider if this is what you truly want before proceeding. If you're certain about closing your account, the next step is to select your reason for doing so. Amazon provides a drop-down menu with various options. Choose the reason that best aligns with your decision to close the account. Now that you've selected your reason, you'll need to confirm your choice. This involves checking a box that says, "Yes, I want to permanently close my Amazon account and delete my data." By ticking this box, you're acknowledging and accepting that all your data will be deleted, and your account will be permanently closed. The next part is to formally submit your request. You do this by clicking the Close My Account button. Once you click that button, you're just a step away from closing your account. After submitting your request, Amazon will send you a confirmation message via email or text. This message will contain a link that you'll need to click to finalize the process. Be sure to check your inbox or messages promptly. It's important to respond within the specified time frame, as this is crucial for completing your account deletion. Upon receiving the message, follow the link and any additional instructions provided to ensure your account is closed. And there you have it, the full walkthrough on how to permanently delete your Amazon account. Take your time with each step, ensuring clarity and understanding along the way. Once you've completed these actions, your Amazon account and all associated data will be permanently deleted. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, Amazon's customer service is a resource you can turn to for assistance. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful guides.